Okay, now some of the topics for the revision. From maxima minima, I'm taking one question for you. In the year 2011, this question has come in the board examination. This was a window has the shape of rectangle surmounted by an equilateral triangle. Window is rectangular at base and equilateral triangle on the top. Now, one thing you need to keep in mind, this is the ultimately window. This I'm saying x, then this will also be x because equilateral triangle, this will be x, so y and y. Now I'm reading once again the whole question. A window is in the form of rectangle surmounted by an equilateral triangle. If its perimeter is 12 meter, if its perimeter is 12 meters, perimeters means sum of outer sides, so x plus, from here I'm starting, y plus x plus y plus x means 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is equals to 12. 3x plus 2y equals to 12. 2y equals to 12 minus 3x. Y is equals to 12 minus 3x upon 2. This is with us how to convert one to another. Now, main part, find the dimensions of the rectangle so that it may produce the largest area of the window. Area must be largest. Area of this will be, for the rectangular part, x into y, and for the triangular part, area of triangle is, equilateral triangle is √3 by 4. Side is square, side is x square. I've told you already, 2011, this question has come in the board examination. Now we are going to put the value of y in it. So it will be x 12 minus 3x upon 2 plus √3 by 4 x square. This has become the function of x. After making function of x, now nothing is tough. It's almost a simple thing. One more step I'm taking here, then we'll be going to the next sheet. 6x minus 3 by 2 x square plus √3 by 4 x square. This one is fx. We need to go for f dash x. X minus 3 by 2 x square plus √3 by 4 x square. Fx we have got 6x minus 3 by 2 x square plus √3 by 4 x square. First derivative f dash x equals to 6 minus 3x plus root 3 by 2x. Now our task is to put f dash x equals to 0. 6 will be equals to x. 3 minus root 3 by 2. So x will be equals to this is the value of x. If you want to rationalize, no problem. If you want to leave at this particular place, then also no problem. Now we are going to calculate f double dash x. 0 minus 3 plus root 3 by 2. Ultimately, what it will be, negative or positive? I'm finding it will be negative. For negative, it will be maximum. Area will be maximum when the side of one of the side of the rectangle will be 12 upon 6 minus root 3. 12 upon 6 minus root 3. So this is one of the value. We need to calculate y. Y we will be calculating after putting the value of x, after putting the value of x over here. So this was the question. It's a good and important question, good for the examination purpose also. So you must practice such questions. Similar to this, one more question is given. I'm just trying to show you the condition so that you must be able to understand that also. It is a window is in the form of a rectangle surmounted by a semicircle. This question is given in NCERT. Exactly when this question came in the board examination, the previous one when it came in the board examination, this one question when came in the board examination, by reading a window is in the form of a rectangle. After reading this much only, the students started solving this question. So many of the students lost their marks because a number of students are having habit of learning NCERT. Learning is not they are understanding, maths students are understanding. Learning means they are keeping in mind questions will be asked directly from NCERT only. People used to say this thing, सिर्फ NCERT से ही आएगा पेपर. So ऐसा नहीं है, minute modifications examiner can make. So that much you must be able to understand. Okay, going to the next. Find the shortest distance of the point. Find the shortest distance of the point 0C. This point is 0C. From the parabola y equals to x square. We need to find the shortest distance of point C from the parabola this. So shortest distance could be here or somewhere else also. So this point I'm taking xy because x1 y lies on the parabola. So the distance will be under root x minus 0 to whole square plus y minus c to whole square. D square will be equals to x square plus y minus c to whole square. Value of x square I'm putting. So it will be Fy equals to y plus y minus c2 whole square. We need to calculate now f dash y. We need to calculate f dash y. Now it will be 2y minus c whole power 1. F dash y we will be going to put equals to 0. It will become 1 is equals to 2y minus 2c. This is power 1, okay, not differentiation. 1 plus 2c upon 2 will be equals to y. So the value of y is with us. Now, when value of y is with us, y is equals to x square. So the value of x also we could calculate easily. But after this, we need to calculate f double dash y. Why to calculate f double dash y? Because shortest distance, we need to show it must be least. For least, f double dash must come positive. So its differentiation 0 plus 2, differentiation of y will be 1 and c will be 0. So it will be 2, that is positive, that is minimum. Minimum only is standing for least. So like this way, the questions are asked in the examination. So such questions are coming in the board examination also. Similar to this one question, one example is given in NCERT. An enemy helicopter is moving along the curve like that way. A question is given in NCERT also. That Apache helicopter one. We have done that in the introduction of the chapter also. One more question I'm doing. This is find the area of the greatest rectangle. Find the area of the greatest rectangle. That can be inscribed in an ellipse. Rectangle must be inscribed in ellipse. Rectangle must be inscribed in the ellipse. So rectangle I'm going to put. We know that the equation of the ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. So it will be, I'm taking any one of the point. Okay, last time we have done this question with one of the method. This time I feel another method I must teach you, or the same I must take. I need to decide this thing also. Okay, let me tell you. A point which lies on ellipse is a cos theta, b sin theta. This is a point lies on the ellipse. Means this will be a cos theta, b sin theta. This one will be minus a cos theta, b sine theta. In this both negative, minus a cos theta minus b sine theta. Last will be a cos theta minus b sine theta. Now, area of rectangle will be length into width, means AB into BC. Now with the distance formula, AB and BC must be calculated. So AB, 2a cos theta into BC, a cos theta to a cos theta, subtraction में cancel. Distance is x2 minus x12 whole square plus y2 minus y12 whole square to root. That one I am applying. So this minus this 0, this minus minus plus. So 2b sine theta. It becomes 4ab sine theta cos theta. I could also write 2ab. The 2 which is left, 2 sine theta cos theta will be sine 2 theta will be f theta. Now it's very easy to simplify after this. F dash theta will be 2ab. Sine 2 theta will be cos 2 theta, then 2 theta will become 2. F dash theta we need to put equals to 0. So cos 2 theta equals to 0. Cos 2 theta equals to 0 says us that 2 theta is equals to pi by 2. That implies theta is giving us pi by 4. Now next thing is f double dash theta. F dash theta was 4ab cos 2 theta. F double dash theta will be 4ab cos 2 theta will be minus sine 2 theta. 2 theta will become 2. So it is negative. Negative indicates that area will be maximum when theta will be equals to pi by 4. Now, what will be the maximum area? So for maximum area, we should be knowing the area function, and area function is 2ab sine 2 theta. 2ab sine 2 theta. F theta. Theta is what? Pi by 4. So a b sine 2 into pi by 4, that is pi by 2, and sine pi by 2 is 1. So 2ab square units is the maximum area which can be taken from an ellipse. So this is one of the wonderful question. I suppose each one of you are able to do this kind of questions. So we have done few questions. One was this. This is one of the very good question. It has come many times in the board examination also. This is a concept giving question. Same has not come in the board examination, but similar questions usually comes. And again, this one is very good question, similar to this. One more question is, find the maximum area of an isosceles triangle inscribed in the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1 with its vertex at one end of the major axis. This question is given in NCERT. And I suppose by solving this question, now you will be able to do that question also. One MCQ type question I'm solving. This is just to make you understand. Like a question is given fx equals to sine x. And question comes, we need to find its maximum value or minimum value. When it comes in MCQ type condition, objective questions, then don't think much. We know that the value of sine is -1 to 1. So if they are saying maximum value, it is 1, minimum value, that is -1. So some of the things we are directly knowing. So in MCQs, don't go beyond the condition, but at least explanation must be given by you. Then only I'll be able to think that yes, my students are gaining concepts and they are practicing daily at home. So similar questions will be asked in the board examination also. You have to practice, you have to revise. Now I think we should stop recording, Tanuja.